In this video, we are touring the Adobe Audition interface, and this is the first video of this, series. And in this series, we will learn like Adobe Audition from scratch to the advanced level. One by one videos I will publish in this series. So you can see the interface of Adobe Audition. It's very simple. We can see different panels here, and this is the default workspace. Here you can see default workspace. At the top you can see menu bar, and on the left side you can see different panels like files panel, favorites panels, media browsers, and effects rack, markers. We can switch to another panel, like if we click here, so we can switch or we can open the panel here. Or we want to go to media browser, so see media browser. We can extend also this, from here you can see like this. If you are familiar with Adobe Premiere, so you know about the media browser, like we import the assets, the files first in this media panel. And these panels we can see the check mark, you can see with these panels. So these are displayed. And for instance, if you want to use batch process panel, so you will click here, the batch process is here. And effects rack, so you can see it's here. Playlist, so you can see it's here. See, it's here, playlist. And we can switch to the window, and playlist again we can hide. And this, like, we can extend from here, or we can go to workspace, and default we can reset to saved layout. So see, it will be again like this as it was before. So these are workspaces. You can see like edit audio to video. If we click here, so the panels will change, the display of panels will also change. And if we click on radio production, so you can see it's like this. If we click here, so we can see more panels will appear, like loudness, restoration, classic, simple editing. So these are the panels actually, as I told you. So we will switch to the default. And in these menu options, there are different options. Definitely we will also explore them one by one in the coming videos. And here you can see edit, preferences, and appearance. So appearance, you can see presets, default, and we can switch to another one also, like Adobe Gray. So you can see it's like this, and Cetal Blues like this, and then this one. So these are different, appearance options, and you can select the background as well. And this, see, this is waveform background and different backgrounds, and you can select brightness, you can control, and see, so the appearance, brightness, we can also control from here. These are different, you can see, and these will appear in different panels, like in the audio files as well. So this is the appearance that we can control from edit and preferences. So this is the first video of this Adobe Audition series, where we have explored about the interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.